grade 8 students! I am Sir RJ and I will be your teacher for today. For today's lesson, we will discuss grade 8 mathematics. Today, we are going to discuss our lesson in the 6th week of the 4th quarter through a story. Hola, soy Dora. And I'm Boots. We are on our way to visit mi abuela, my grandmother. But we will be needing your help to solve some mysteries along our way. Before we start with our journey, let's have a quick drill first. Let's find the lowest terms of fractions. These are the fractions: 4 tenths, 3 ninths, 12 fifteenths, 17 nineteenths, and 25 hundredths. Now, pause this video and find the lowest term of these fractions. Did you have the same answer as we have? Good job! Now, let's check if you can still remember the answers to these. Let's find out the outcomes in these experiments. Now we have these experiments: tossing 2 coins, drawing a card from a standard deck, rolling 2 dice. Pause this video and write down the outcomes of these experiments. If you have these answers, then it's time for...
I'm the map, 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 I'm the map!
To go to your grandmother's house, first you have to cross the bridge of probability. Then, go to the activity forest. And lastly, pass by the tree of wisdom.
Come on, vámonos! Everybody, let's go! Come on, let's get to it! I know that we can do it! Where are we going?
Dora and Boots have just arrived in the bridge of probability. They were welcomed by Benny the Bull, one of their amigos, friends, with an unfamiliar concept. What is probability? What is event? The first thing that we need to learn about is the probability of simple events.
Backpack, 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 backpack. On the backpack loaded up with things and knickknacks too. Anything that you might need, I got inside for you. Backpack, 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 yeah!
Probability refers to how likely something is to happen. An event is the number of ways to which a probability is assigned. A sample space is the set of all possible outcomes. Many events can't be predicted with total certainty. The best we can say is how likely they are to happen using the idea of probability. An event can be choosing a king from a deck of cards, rolling an even number when you roll a die, or getting a tail when you toss a coin. So, how do we calculate probability? Can you give me an example? Well, probability of an event happening is equal to the number of ways it can happen and the total number of its outcomes. What is the probability of getting a tail when you toss a coin? Now, remember, there is only one tail in a coin, and there are 2 possible outcomes, a head or a tail. Therefore, the probability is 1/2. Here's another one. What is the probability of getting a king from a deck of cards? Well, there are 4 kings in a deck of cards. The total number of cards are 52. Therefore, the probability is 4 over 52, or in lowest terms, that is 1/13. As a reward for learning the basics of probability, Dora and Boots received some gold coins and a deck of cards from Benny the Bull. Both of them are now headed to the activity forest until...
Uh-oh! That sounds like Swiper's box! Swiper! We need your help to stop Swiper! You have to say Swiper no swiping! Say Say it with us. Swiper no swiping. Swiper no swiping. Swiper no swiping.
Oh, man!
Dora and Boots are now in the activity forest, and they need your help to finish 3 activities so that they can find the exit and proceed to their next destination. Are you ready to help us finish the activities? If you are, say, Estoy listo. It means, I'm ready. Estoy listo. Hola, I'm Tico the Squirrel, and I will be your activity master. Your first activity is to find the probability of the given simple events. Remember, always express your final answer in lowest terms. Let's begin. In a standard deck of playing cards, what is the probability of randomly selecting a heart? In a single roll of a red die, what is the probability of randomly getting an even number? Now, pause this video and think. Is your answer 1/4 and 1/2? Then you are correct. Muy bien! Very good. You did an amazing job in the first activity. Now, let's see how well you understood the probability of simple events. Here's the second activity, and it surely is a tough one. Good luck! If 2 silver coins are tossed at the same time, what is the probability of randomly having 2 heads? In a bottle of different colored marbles, what is the probability of randomly handpicking a green marble? Now, pause this video and think. Write down your answers on a piece of paper. Is your answer 1/4 and 1/2? Then you are correct. Magnifico! Magnificent! Well done on the second activity. If you think that was a bit tough, then you haven't seen the difficult part yet. The third one will be more challenging. Here is your last activity. In a juggler's collection of different colored balls, what is the probability of randomly picking a blue-colored ball? And in a magician's spinner, what is the probability that it randomly lands on color yellow when it is spun? Now pause this video and look at the images clearly. Write your answers on a piece of paper. Press start if you have the answers. Is your answer 2/5 and 1/4? Then you are correct. Muchas gracias. Thank you very much. We have finished the 3 activities, so we can now proceed to our next stop. Yay! Do you see the Tree of Wisdom? We are now here in the Tree of Wisdom, and we are getting closer to La Casa de mi Abuela, my grandmother's house. But we need your help again to answer a test. Don't forget to write down your answers on a piece of paper. Estoy listo! In your art class in Mape, you were tasked to collect 5 red balls, 8 yellow balls, and 7 blue balls. What is the probability of choosing a red ball, a yellow ball, not a red ball, not a blue ball, and a black ball? Now pause this video and write down your answers. Click start when you have your answers. Did you get the correct answers? Congratulations! Now let's go to the second part of your test. We have here Isa. Hola, soy Isa la iguana. For your last challenge, don't forget to reduce all of your answers in lowest terms. Now, pause this video so you can read and solve for the probability of these 5 items. Click start when you are ready. Selecting a black card from a standard deck of playing cards is letter D, 1/2. Getting a 7 from a single roll of a die is letter A, 0. Having a head and a tail after tossing 2 coins at the same time is letter B, 1/4. Handpicking a yellow marble from a box which contains 6 blue, 5 green, and 3 yellow marbles is letter A, 3/14. And landing on color white after a spinner with the colors white, red, orange, and blue is spun is Letter C, 1/4. Did you get all these 5 questions correctly? Congratulations!
We did it! We did it! We did it! Yay! Always team up! We did it! Yay! Woo! Hooray! We did it!
Thank you for helping me, Nieta, my granddaughter. Dora and Boots were both safe and sound. If you answer this word problem correctly, you might get bonus points. Now, this is the question. If you roll 2 dice at the same time, what is the probability of getting an even number, an odd number, a number divisible by 3, a number divisible by 2, and a number divisible by 1? Write down your answers on a piece of paper, and your teacher will reveal the answers soon. Good luck! Did you enjoy this video? If so, I hope you learned something today. I will see you again, grade 8 students. Goodbye!